They got them quite fast. They are, aren't they? So the ducks have just been released, and they're a little bit behind me in the corner. I have 2 tickets, so I'm hoping to win one of them. But it just started to thunder and lightning and rain, so it's bad conditions for ducks. But we're quite close to the finish line. Okay, so that's the finish line. Over here we have most of the ducks. You might be able to still hear the thunder, but in the lead there's a duck. Randy, there he is. That's the duck that's in the lead at the moment. The winner. And there's the rest. Wow, that thunder's really loud. And that's the winner. They're all breaking up now. What beautiful summer weather we're having. And I think I'm gonna go.